Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru. Again, hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to make your Twitter account private. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Now, to make your Twitter account private, let's open up our Twitter app first. And after opening your Twitter app, you can see the similar kind of interface will be shown to you on the Twitter. And on the top left corner of your screen, there is your profile picture icon or the profile icon. Tap on your profile icon like this, and when this opens, you can see the settings and privacy option available at the bottom of the screen just above the health center. Tap on settings and privacy like this, and on this interface you can see the privacy and safety option available over here just below the monetization option. Tap on privacy and safety, and on this interface you can see the audience and tagging option on the top of the screen just below your Twitter activity. Tap on the audience and tagging, and over here you can see the protect your tweets, and which says only current followers and the people you approve in the future will be able to see your tweets, which means that by enabling the toggle icon at the side of the protect your tweets like this, our account will be made private. And there guys, if you turn the toggle icon on, your Twitter account will be private. If you tap it like this and it is off, your account won't be private. Now to turn it to private, let's tap on it, and there guys, this is how you make your Twitter account private. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.